Rocklaw. That's kind of like our first main destination. Yeah, but tonight it's getting late. It's 4 o'clock, so we're just going. We found on Park for night a stop by a lake that sounds okay. So we're going there to spend the night and then do the city tomorrow.
Unfortunately, the road is a little bit bumpy, to say the least.
Yeah, the road's a bit horrendous. We've done a few of these roads already over the last couple of days. Over the last 2 days, sorry. Today and yesterday have been in Poland. Yes. Oh, we didn't find any gas today. That we're really kind of a bit peeved off about it, because the only gas that we can find is big 11 kilo bottles, which are huge. They weigh a lot and they're just too big for our little van,
We
aren't
can't store it anywhere. If we could get a gas box could fit under the coffee table, so we have it out and use that outside stove, that would be alright. But yeah, 11 kilos is too much.
It's too much.
Been a bit over it, to be honest. We've been looking for the last month.
And we are literally down to a tiny bit of gas left, so it's salads again tonight. Yeah, I mean, the big gas bottles, they're so cheap. That's like, we buy one of those, it'll probably last us for the next 3 or 4 months, but they're just massive. So we don't know what we're going to do. We're going to the city tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get better luck there. But yeah, it's all fun and games, isn't it?
We've just taken a walk down here to take some pictures onto the shore of the lake. As you can see, it's really muddy down here. I mean, it looks really nice because you can see the reflections of the sky and the water's so still. And you've got this eerie sound. There's a machine out there that's extracting rock or minerals from the lake, like the sound of, you know, at the end of Terminator 2 when the Terminator's falling, like melting, like that sound, like something out of a horror movie. It's quite weird. But yeah, it's nice to look at, but not really a swimming lake. A bit mucky.
It's raining in through the window, actually, babe.
I think that stopped.
Right, yeah. We just had to make sure all the windows and the sunroof and everything was closed. This morning we had thunder and it's cooled right down, and now it's raining. So it's a bit miserable, but we don't mind. It's quite nice to have nice, cool kind of air, and we're nice and cosy in the van, so it's not too bad.
Some little ginger dog managed to jump out the van and run right down to the lake and into some thick mud, and then full on into the lake and totally mucky. So luckily we had enough water in the tank to give him a little bath, put him in the bucket and get rid of all the mud. So he's drying off now, all cozy in the van. So as it's raining, we're going to go to the city and we're going to continue mission number 4, I think. Now, our quest for gas.
We just had to stop. Yeah, it's just like having kids, really. Dizzy needs to go to the toilet. We have to stop by the side of the road, let him out. He ran off down there, had his little poo-poos, had a wee-wee, and now we're ready to get back on the road. So all of a sudden, the road just got really bad. And the rain, obviously, making it a little bit worse. We've just come to the most shops I think I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. We're close to Rocklaw, and on the outskirts we've googled this shop here called Obby, and in this complex there's pretty much every shop I think you could think of. So if we don't get the gas, or some gas from here, we're not going to get it from anywhere, basically. Okay, so this is how we fill up water in Poland. We buy 5-litre bottles because it's the only way of getting water that we've found so far without obviously going to a campsite. So yeah, we are into buying bottled water for showers. We figured that you can have a shower, an okay shower, with 1 5-litre bottle of water. So that's what we're going to do. And it still works out quite cheap. These bottles only cost about 30 cents or something, so not bad. We've got our plastic bottles here, all for recycling. We did have one rude comment about using bottled water, but we recycle all of the bottles that we use. We don't just throw them in the bushes, we recycle them properly. Yeah, now we are going to try and finally get the gas. Caught you with your head in the sausage packet.
Love these little Polish sausage things, little like pepperoni salami. In all these shops in the biggest shopping complex that we've ever seen, with every shop you can think of, home improvement stores, supermarkets, everything,
we can't get gas. A couple of hours now, probably 3 hours, asking around shops about gas, which isn't easy when you don't speak a word of Polish, and only one person spoken English to try and explain, do hand movements, and we found out that we have to buy like a bigger 5-kilo bottle.
So failed again in this shop here where they sell only empty ones, empty gas bottles, and exchange them. So you can buy an empty one, but they don't know where to fill it up. But check out these clouds, they're moving so quickly.
Yeah, as you can see, that storm cloud came in. Literally, we were in that shop for 5 minutes, came back out, and that massive storm cloud had just covered the sky completely, and now it's raining. This weather suits our mood about the gas. Like, they don't know where we can fill it, and they sell the empty canisters. How the hell are we supposed to know where to fill it when we're not even from this country? Oh.
God. Oh, are we in a car wash? This car park, it's like it's actually getting flooded. So we've just woken up after a crazy dream I had last night. I dreamt that we managed to get gas.
We
have gas!
6 hours of searching, we finally managed to get gas. It's full. We have a regulator and a funny story to tell of what happened.
Yeah. Hold on. What's that?
Dreams can come true!
Woo! We did get gas! Oh my god.
What a crazy, crazy day.
What a crazy day yesterday. We spent
6 hours.
The whole day.
6 hours trying to get that gas
found.
And yesterday was just such a mission, because people were telling us different things to do to get the gas, that you could get it filled up at the shop, that you couldn't get it filled up at the shop. There was no filling stations, and then one guy finally sent us to the right filling station. We went there and he said, okay, no, I can't sell you it, you need the empty bottle. And then there was the hassle of getting the regulator. We had to try all these different regulators to see if it fit on the bottom. No one was sort of prepared to help us, or they just didn't know what they were doing, so we just had to search for all these regulators. Managed to find one. It was kind of a bit overpriced, and then, oh well, the lady at the end gave us an empty gas bottle. She was just like, just take it. I was like, what? Really? Because we paid like €25 worth of gas bottle.
I think she'd seen us going in the shop for the 3rd time, and then buy this regulator, which she actually left her till and went, oh, you know, in Polish we got the hand gesture that she was going to try and find us something cheaper. Couldn't find something cheaper, so we went back, paid for the regulator, and then gestured, oh, we need to pay for this gas bottle.
Pay for this.
And she was like,
no, just take it.
Shoot us through. So
shoot us off. We were like, what?
Walked out speechless, in shock, hadn't got a clue what happened. It was like 7:30 in the evening after arriving at lunchtime.
Yeah, took that empty gas bottle to the filling station. The guy there was really nice, actually. And then, yeah, got that swapped and walked away with a gas bottle. Basically 5 kilos should last us 2 months. So we don't have to worry about this for 2 months.
Anyway, happy days.
So that is mission number
4 complete.
Finally.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.